Today we are going to learn how to mount an oval-type magnetic switch into the groove of cylinder barrel. This is the groove of cylinder barrel. Now, carefully unwrap the oval-type magnetic switch. Firmly place the oval-type magnetic switch into the designated groove of the cylinder. Now, gently slide the oval-type magnetic switch into the cylinder groove at the required position. Now use a 1.2 mm screwdriver to tighten it securely in the groove. Be cautious not to over-tighten. By following these steps, you can effectively ensure your oval-type magnetic switch is perfectly mounted into the groove of cylinder barrel. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-3333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.